Did you know that if your product has 4 stars or more, it's 12 times more likely to sell, according to this research paper. So today, I'll show you the best free plugin to set up reviews like this on your site. This is just a basic design, but using my steps, you can easily create variations like this or this. And no, this isn't a sponsored video. It's just a plugin I use myself because it's free and has some extra benefits like being able to filter out negative reviews. You can also set reviews to require admin approvals before they go live, making sure only genuine feedback is displayed. This plugin offers all this and more for free, and I'll show you how to set up all this step by step. So let's begin. First, some disclaimers. I am doing this on a staging site to be safe. And second, whenever I'm doing some design work for clients, I make sure to install this free plugin Airlift because, okay, let me actually show you this. So that's my site speed before and that's after. It does a lot of optimizations automatically and keeps stuff fast. So you should definitely try this and I'll leave the link in the description below. In your WordPress dashboard, search for site reviews and install it. Then click on the plugin and let's start by adding a review manually. Select all reviews, then click the Add New button. Here, you'll see fields to input the review title, content, and additional details like the reviewer's name, email, and even their avatar. Add a review content here and scroll down to the review details. Give a rating and fill out the rest of the fields as needed and then click Publish. Let's repeat the same process and this time I'm going to post a review with lower rating. Once done, hit Publish. Add one more review with a different rating. Let's make it 5-star and publish. Great. So we have 3 different reviews now. Next, we need to fine-tune the review settings. In the Site Reviews tab, go to Settings and select the General tab. Here, you can decide if reviews require admin approval before they are displayed. This is an excellent way to ensure that only genuine reviews make it to your site. You can also send the review notifications to multiple recipients. You can also send the notification to Discord or Slack wherever you need it. I'm going to skip this for now and go ahead and save changes. Now, under the review section in the same settings area, you'll find options to customize how reviews appear. You can set the date format, adjust the reviewer's name format, and even enable features like review verification. Take some time to explore these advanced options like forms, schema, strings, and add-ons. But let's skip them and move on to the next part. With the setup done, it's time to display the reviews on your website. Open Elementor and navigate to the page where you want the reviews to appear. Search for the latest reviews widget and drag it onto your page. This widget will automatically pull all the reviews you've added to your site reviews dashboard. Now, let's make it look good. The widget is fully customizable, so you can adjust the number of reviews displayed, tweak the fonts, change the colors, and more. You can also customize what details do you wish to show and what to hide. Like here, if I hide the date, we can't see when the review was posted. The idea is for reviews to blend seamlessly with the site's theme, so spend a little time styling it to match your brand. You can also make review sorting easy by assigning them categories from here. Open Categories tabs. Let's create a few categories. Auto, Health, Home, and done. Now I can go back to all reviews. Then to add these reviews into the categories we just created, simply choose a review, click Edit, and you'll see a new tab called Review Categories. Take the category you want and hit Update. Now, if you want to add reviews to your site, but only by category, select the reviews container, go to Settings on the left, and click the plus button to select your category. Alright, this will ensure that only reviews from the chosen category are displayed. Moving on, what if you want your visitors to leave reviews directly on your site? That's easy too. Head to the page where you'd like the review form to be, perhaps a Contact Us page, and search for the review form widget in Elementor. Once you find it, drag and drop it onto the page. And there, you now have a live review form where visitors can share their feedback. Customizing the form is again just as easy. You can change the fonts, colors, and layout to fit your site's look and feel. Alright, let's see this in action. Go to the front end of the website and you can see now there's a review prompt on the contact screen. And whenever someone will submit a review, it will show up in the All Reviews section of your dashboard. If you only want to display reviews with 4 or 5 stars, you can set that up too. The plugin makes it simple to filter out any unwanted feedback, so you're always putting your best foot forward. Alright, let's take things a step further. You can customize how many reviews show at once on the screen and how they are arranged. You can also change pagination style. Actually, what you do here is you select how multiple reviews will show in the same card. Okay, one final thing. If you wish to give your feedback page to have a professional message, you can do that by changing string data in the plugin settings. Just go here in strings, look up the text that your review card has, and put it here. Now, add the text from your review form to show instead. You can customize any text on your form from here. Alright, let's hit publish and check if everything looks good. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. Click this video if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.